All right, now that you got the chart copied, let's get to doing some conversions and so forth like that, okay? The thing with time is we got to be able to convert it up and down that spectrum on your chart, all right? So just a reminder, again, if you're converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, the operation is going to be multiplication. If you're converting from a smaller unit to a larger unit, your operation is going to be division, okay? So I'm going to start us off with a comparison, okay? Greater than, less than, or equal to 7 days or 120 hours, okay? Look down on your charts and figure out how many hours are in 1 day. Okay, so 1 day equals 24 hours. So that means 7 days is going to be 7 times 24. And that is, pause the video and solve it. Oh, wait. Okay, that's probably good. Is 168 hours, right? 7 times 20 is 140. 7 times 4 is 24. 164 hours. Whew. See, I'm losing it. 164 hours. 164 compared to 120, no comparison. Okay, 7 days, a week is longer than 120 hours. Okay, next comparison. And I want to, before I move on, I want to make note here that the math we're doing is not difficult math, right? It's not a new type of math. All it is assigning a unit to numbers now, okay? So I know that you already know how to do this well. Just don't get confused by the fact that it has months, days, millimeters, all that good stuff at the end of it, all right? Okay, 9 months or 27 weeks. 9 months or 27 weeks, greater, less than, equal to. Okay, look at your chart. How many weeks in a month? Approximately 4. So 9 times 4 equals 36, right? Approximately. It's not going to be a lot less than that. 36 weeks compared to 27 weeks. 9 months is greater. Okay, and that makes a lot of sense. Remember, feel free to pause the video when I've got calculations up there so you can catch up with your notes. I'm in an empty room, so I have no idea how fast I should be going. You control the speed. All right, let's get a little more challenging. 17 years or 2 decades. That's messy. 2 decades, okay? What's your chart say for decades? Well, a decade is, actually, hold on, you solve it. Once again, pause and solve, please. Pause and solve. Good. 2 decades. Well, 1 decade equals 10 years. So 2 decades is going to be 20 years. 2D equals 20Y. 2 decades. It's greater. All right, fine. Maybe it wasn't as challenging as I thought. I'll get you this time. 5 minutes or 300 seconds. Okay, look down. How many seconds are in a minute? What's your answer? Pause it and solve. Good. Ah, 5 minutes equals 300 seconds. Okay, 5 minutes equal 300 seconds. So now if you're asking your parents if you can stay up a little bit later and you want 5 more minutes, say, hey, can I have 300 seconds? And they'll say no. All right, fine, let me have 5 minutes. And it seems like less because it's a smaller number. And they'll probably say yes, but it's the same value. Okay? Same value. One more. 44 months or 3 years. 44 months or 3 years. Look at your chart. Convert your years to months. Solve it. Pause it and solve. Three years is 36 months, right? 3 times 12. 44 is greater than 36. See, and now you're an expert at units of time too. Great job. Great job. I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work.